In the world of poultry farming, the choice between commercial layers and local chickens is a significant one. While local chickens have their charm and benefits, commercial layers offers a range of advantages that can make them more appealing option for both farmers and consumers. So in this video, we are going to explore various reasons why choosing commercial layers over local chicken can be beneficial. Number one is a higher egg production. One of the most compelling reasons to choose commercial layers is their superior egg production. Commercial layers are bred for high egg yield, often producing 250 to 300 eggs per year, compared to local chickens, which may only lay like 100 to 150 annually. This increased productivity can lead to high profits for farmers and more consistent supply of eggs for consumers. Commercial layers are bred for uniformity in egg size, shell quality, and nutritional content. This consistency is crucial for consumers and businesses that rely on a steady supply of high-quality eggs. Local chickens, while often praised for their flavor, can vary significantly in these aspects, making them less reliable for commercial purposes. Commercial layers are often bred with focus on disease resistance. They are typically vaccinated and raised in a controlled environment, reducing their risk of disease outbreak. Local chicken, on the other hand, may be more susceptible to diseases due to their varied genetics and less controlled living conditions. This resilience can lead to lower mortality rates and reduced veterinary costs for farmers. Commercial layers are designed to convert feed into eggs more efficiently than local chickens. This means that farmers can achieve high egg productions with less feed, reducing overall cost and environmental impact. The feed conversion ratio for commercial layers is often favorable, making them a more sustainable choice for poultry farming. Commercial layers can be raised in more intensive farming systems, allowing for higher stocking densities without compromising animal welfare. This efficiency can lead to better use of land and resources, making commercial layers a more sustainable option for egg production. Local chicken require more space, resources, which can be a limiting factor for farmers. For farmers looking to maximize their profits, commercial layers often present a more economically viable option. The higher egg production, the lower feed cost, and reduced diseases management expenses contribute to a more profitable business model. Additionally, the consistency quality of eggs from commercial layers can lead to better market prices and consumer loyalty. Has developed various hybrid strains of commercial layers that combine the best traits of different breeds. This hybrid can offer improved egg production, better feed efficiency, and enhanced disease resistance. Local chickens, while diverse, do not benefit from the same level of genetic improvement and research, making commercial layers a more advanced choice. Choosing commercial layers supports modern farming practices that prioritize efficiency, sustainability, and animal welfare. Many commercial layer farms implement advanced technologies and management practices that enhance productivity while minimizing environmental impact. This alignment with modern agricultural practices can be appealing to consumers who are conscious of sustainability. Commercial layers are often fed specialized diets that enhance the nutritional profile of their eggs. This can result in eggs that are higher in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals compared to those from local chickens. For the health conscious customers, this nutritional advantage can be a significant factor in their purchasing decisions. The demand for eggs from commercial layers is consistently high, driven by the availability of quality. Retailers and consumers often prefer the reliability of commercial eggs, leading to a more stable market for farmers. Local chickens may have a niche market, but they often cannot compete with volume and consistency of commercial layers. While local chicken have their place in poultry industry, the advantages of commercial layers are compelling for both farmers and consumers. From high egg production and consistency in quality to economic viability and support for modern farming practices, commercial layers offers a range of benefits that make them superior choice. As the demand for eggs continues to grow, choosing commercial layers can lead to a more sustainable and profitable future in the poultry farming. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you.